So today I'll be showing you how to edit your profile on RedNote. So the first thing you want to do is obviously log in to RedNote. I already have a video on that. I'll link it down below. Once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is edit your profile. So if you tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, that says me right there, and then tap on profile for Android users. For iOS users, that's going to be edit profile. So tap on that and that takes you to the profile page. Now here, this is where you can change your name, change your username, add a bio, change your gender if you need to, choose a birth date, put your job, add your location, education background, and then background photo, as well as changing your profile picture. So that's why you can do all that. And that's basically how you can edit your profile. Now, obviously, I'll be making individual videos for this stuff, so make sure you stay subscribed and tuned for all these RedNote videos. Thanks for watching and good luck.